Hi everyone, this is Amador, and today I am going to be demonstrating how to make my infamous raw fresh green juice. People have always been asking me for health tips and how I keep my youthful appearance and my overall health, so this has been my secret for over 10 years. Today, with help from friends from Maryruth PH and Other Options PH, let's start and make it. So basically, I make my juice in two parts. One through a juicer and the second part through a blender. So let's start with ingredients going into the juicer. Here I have basil leaves. These are 2 big leaves. And the second, my favorite, is some fresh mint. And my third ingredient is fresh ginger. I now continue with my fresh vegetables. The first and most basic is Petchay. I do about 3 or 4 leaves, and notice I am only doing the leaves. I do not include the stalk because the stalk can become very bitter. The celery, I do about 3 or 4 stalks. I'm just going to turn on the juicer now so that the vegetables start to get juiced. Cucumber, this is about half a cup of cucumber. And last is carrot. This is about 1.5 inches of a medium-sized carrot. You get all those good vitamins inside your fresh juice. I'm using fresh coconut juice. Just add a little to make sure that all the ingredients go down smoothly. Our juice is almost ready. So now I put all the ingredients that have been juiced into the blender. So the second component is using the blender because we need to put some avocado in there. This is frozen avocado for times that it's not in season. You just peel it, put a little citrus on it, and put it in the freezer. And then we add some ice. Ice is entirely optional. So this is the fun part. I'm going to add some additional nutrients and vitamins. This is Alkalizing blend from Unicorn Superfoods PH. So you put just half a teaspoon in. If I'm in a lock-end taping and I do not have the luxury of fresh Petchay or other greens, I use this Malunggay powder from Ava's Kitchen. They have it in powder form and in flakes. So today I'm going to be using the powder. PH Maryruth vitamin D3 and K2, which is essential for when you're taking your vitamin C. A staple. Liquid probiotic from Maryruth PH. And then I use vitamin C, megadose vitamin C, liposonal, Ionic Zinc. Very, very important, especially with the pandemic around. And every other day, I add a dropper of organic elderberry. And here we go. And voila, there you have it. Raw, fresh, organic, fortified